it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, I am doing another episode, I guess. I don't know what I was trying to say there, but I'm going to be unboxing more IPSY bags for you. And if you missed my most recent episode, you'll learn that well, if you missed it, you didn't learn anything because you didn't see it. But if you missed it, I announced or shared that for the past many months, I've actually been a part of IPSY Open Studios, which is like a creator thing, and we received Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus bags to unbox and share with you. I am in awe because those of you that have been around my channel since the beginning, I have been subscribed to IPSY ever since I started YouTube channel. I love IPSY, and if you also don't know, I attended IPSY Live, which is a creator event. Well, they had two public days as well, but they had a creator night, and I attended IPSY Live in New York City in 2019 before COVID, and boy am I sure glad that I went because they have not had any events since then. So I hope they start those events back up soon. It's just been amazing. So through all of this and being a part of the Open Studios community for IPSY and being a creator and all of that, online creator, I've gotten the chance to now receive these bags for free, which is so surreal. And those of you again that know I've been with IPSY from the beginning, I never imagined them to know who FunsizedStyle is, and never imagined receiving these bags for free ever. I've always paid for my subscription. So this has been so amazing. Also wanted to give you a refresher if you missed that last episode. I won't be doing these basic facts every episode, but since I haven't shared these bags since I started receiving them right before I went into Halo Traction, I wasn't able to film these videos during that time because my life was in chaos and I was medically not okay. I'm just now almost a year into this, finally starting to share these with you, and very excited. Because of that, I wanted to give a refresher of price points of these subscriptions. So like I said, I have the IPSY Glam Bag and the IPSY Glam Bag Plus to share with you. The IPSY Glam Bag subscription is now $13 per month, and the Glam Bag Plus subscription, which features mostly full-size products, retails for $28 per month now. So I'm just giving you price points of both levels of those subscriptions, and I will have all the info down in the description box below for you. Like I said, IPSY did send me these things, but they're not sponsoring this video, so I just want to be transparent with you. But I think that's all the housekeeping, and we'll finally get into what's inside my IPSY bags. And also I just want to share, just because I'm a IPSY Open creator and receive these bags, I still don't know what's inside of them. They pick it all, and it's still just as much as a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So alright, first I'm going to share the IPSY Glam Bag, which is what I was always subscribed to before becoming a Open Studio creator. So this is the Glam Bag design for September 2021, and I absolutely love it. You guys know one thing I've always been picky about, I guess, are the Glam Bag designs, and I will tell you if I don't like them, and this is one of my absolute favorites of all the years. I've been subscribed to IPSY. I love it. It screams fall vibes, and love this color for all year round, this brown color. It just looks so professional, and I love it. I'm going to be using this bag for all kinds of things. So Glam Bag design aside, let's go ahead and get into the products that are actually inside. I don't have any type of info card or anything, just going off of what I have. There might be one in the bottom of the spot. The first product that I received is by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara. It's a little sample size. I love this mascara. I actually just received a full size of this from Benefit in a PR package, so I'll be giving this to a friend since I don't need two of these, but this is one of my all-time favorite mascaras, and it's just so great. I'm gonna go ahead and just open the box so you can see what it looks like. It's a classic Benefit product, and I love it. I haven't received Benefit products too often in my IPSY subscription, so I always get excited when I see Benefit. This next product I am so excited about. I've never heard of this brand though. It just looks absolutely stunning. This is by, I hope I'm saying this right, but Nabla. The packaging. Oh my goodness, the packaging is stunning. This is the Shine Theory Lip Gloss, and again, it's by the brand Nabla. This specific gloss is in the shade Renaissance. This packaging, oh my gosh. The cap is my favorite. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I don't own anything like this. I'm putting this like right on my vanity so everyone who comes in my room can see the beautiful product. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, even the wand. I feel like you can't see this well, so I will, of course, insert close up. Oh my gosh. I do not own a gloss like this. Oh, this is just stunning. I think this is going to be one of my favorite glosses. I'm obsessed. Okay. I have kind of a glossy product on. It's by Benefit. It's one of their color balms. I'm going to put this on top of it anyways. Whoa. Okay, I feel like my lips just look so much more plump. That is stunning. I keep saying that, but it's so beautiful. And this was probably not the best lip color to be wearing to try it. I hope you can tell a little something something. I'm obsessed. It's so smooth. It's not sticky. You guys know I do not like sticky glosses. I will straight up not use it if it's sticky. I'm going to be doing another current favorites video soon, and you best bet that I'm going to be sharing this. And it takes a lot for a product to make it into one of Michaela's current favorites videos. I talked way too long about this product. Moving on. And of course, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is full size, so that's exciting. I have another product. This is by brand Galactic. Oh, that was difficult to say for some reason. This is called the Glow on the Go. I've never heard of this brand before. So 2 new brands, which is exciting. I love discovering new brands from IPSY. And this is the Glow on the Go in the shade Jet Set. I'm not sure what kind of product it is, but this is a highlight stick, it looks like. Oh, and this product is made in the USA. I love supporting brands like made in the USA. We need to bring more beauty brands here back in the US and made in the US, not just distributed. This is a highlight. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It's really hard to see. Love supporting smaller brands, so I'm gonna reach out to them and see. Maybe they'll send some products my way, and I don't even know all products they sell. Even if it's enough to do like a full face of makeup, maybe I'll do a more dedicated video on this brand. I don't know, there's just something about the brand that is just very intriguing to me. So the next product in my Glam Bag is by H2O Plus, and this is the Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. I don't know anything about this brand. It really doesn't have any information on the packaging since it's so small. It's just a deluxe size sample. Great for travel though, but since it is a skincare product, I do have to be more cautious of like the ingredients to make sure that it won't break my skin out. So it doesn't tell me any ingredients or anything on this product. So I'm gonna have to do some more research on it to see if it's something that I'll use. But if not, I can always pass it along to someone who will. These 2 products were also meant to be included in the Glam Bag. One thing that is nice when they do include sheet masks, they typically include 2, so as I mentioned, you're only supposed to have 5 products in your Glam Bag. When they typically include face masks, they give you a duo brand E-Nature, and this is a squeeze green watery sheet mask, and by Nature, and I'm not sure how to say this, but it's kind of herb, and it's a restore sheet masks. You guys know, again, I'm not a fan of sheet masks, so I'll be passing this along to my friend who I know will love and use these. Overall, I'm obsessed with what was inside my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September 2021, and the only product that I wasn't a super fan of was the sheet masks, but everything else was absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to try. Again, you guys know I'm quite the critic, so to say that I love almost everything in my Glam Bag speaks volumes, and I'm really excited to use the products from this month. Okay, moving on to Glam Bag Plus now. These are full-size products. The retail value of the Glam Bag subscription is $28 per month. I will give you a bit of a disclaimer. When they send my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, they put it again in this box, and they don't put the products from the Glam Bag Plus like in the actual Glam Bag. They just put it in the box, and then they include the bag too, but they don't put the products inside of the bag, if that makes sense. So I'll share the bag because you do get a makeup bag with the Glam Bag subscription, but I'll share that first since the products aren't actually inside. They're just in this box anyways. I hope that made sense, but if you've ever seen another Glam Bag Plus subscription comboed with Glam Bag, you'll understand. The Glam Bag Plus bags, if you haven't seen them, are much larger than the Glam Bag. I feel like my voice is going all of a sudden. Like my voice just like changed halfway through this video. So anyways, this matches the Glam Bag design. Again, super cute. And these Glam Bag Plus bags are little sling bags, I think you call them. Little cinch bags. I love these. Great for packing. And yeah, so that's what that looks like. But oftentimes the products are just too big to put inside of here. And I don't know how many typically get with Glam Bag Plus. I'll have to look that up and put that information here, but there is quite a bit of products. I'm not sure if I get more because I'm part of IPSY Open Studios, but I'll have all the products linked down below that I talk about in this video. Oh, the other disclaimer that I wanted to say, I will say in advance, I actually think I do like my Glam Bag better than my Glam Bag Plus this month because a lot of skincare based products in my Glam Bag Plus and not a lot of the brands I really love, so I don't seem as excited about a lot of the products. That's why, so I'm just being honest. Going on to the first product in no particular order for my Glam Bag Plus. This is by Murad, and this is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. It's supposed to reduce blemish, size, and redness within 4 hours. So this is part of their step 2 treat. I've heard wonderful things about Murad, but for their acne products specifically, they do use salicylic acid, and my skin does not enjoy salicylic acid when I do use like acne based products. Benzoyl peroxide is what my skin responds to the best. Unfortunately, not a lot of acne products use benzoyl peroxide. Most brands stick to salicylic acid. I'm not sure if it's a cost thing. I don't really know. So I'm giving this away to a friend. Just can't use it because it'll make me break out more. But here's what it looks like. Great size, perfect for travel, and I believe this is full size though. Yes, this is a full size product. It's kind of small, but I'm pretty sure this is full size. But Murad is not cheap, and so it's amazing to receive this kind of product in my Glam Bag Plus this month. The next product in my Glam Bag Plus is by the brand 111 Skin, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Fun fact, so I mentioned in this video that I attended IPSY Live back in 2019 in New York City, first time in the city, and one of the brands that was at the event was 111 Skin, and I got to meet one of the ladies that works for them, and she was so nice. Like, I don't know, she just really took a liking to me and gave me like a ton of face masks, and I'll try to insert a picture of us here. So fancy, so pretty. So I have not tried this product from 111 Skin, so I'm excited because my skin does get more dry this time of year than everyone's does typically. So beautiful product. 111 Skin. 111 Skin is not cheap, like at all. I know $28 per month sounds like a lot of money for a subscription, but let me tell you, just these two products alone, you're looking at like $50 already, at least. Like, I don't even know the price of this, but it is not cheap. That I do know because 111 Skin is a luxury skincare brand. The next product that we have is by Grace and Stella, and this is the Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. So here's what the packaging looks like. I feel like I've heard of Grace and Stella. Maybe received a product from them, like from an IPSY bag, like way long ago, but it's not, at the same time, it's not ringing a bell for me. So I don't know, but I'm curious to see what this product looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. So it's just a rose facial spray. Nothing too crazy, but I do have makeup on right now, obviously, so I'm not going to try this, but it's like very light. I'm excited to try this. Again, really beautiful packaging. Not too much to say about a face spray, but it will be fun to try. The next product that I have in my Glam Bag Plus is by the brand Nature Lab. Oh, this is another brand that was at the event. This is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I don't typically use scalp scrub, so I'll probably pass this along. I have a hair care brand right now that I'm absolutely loving, and it's called Scene Hair Care. It's my favorite right now, so I've been hooked on their products, and I just, again, don't really use a scalp scrub. I feel like with hair products, less is more most of the time, so I'll be passing this along to a friend who will use it more than I will. Do a double check, but I think this is the last product in my Glam Bag Plus subscription, and this is, it's something either really fancy that I can't pronounce. It's ILM, and then it's got like a space, and then an MAKIAGE. This brand is probably so embarrassed by me that I'm like promoting their product, and I don't even know what they are. I'm sorry. I love palettes. You all know that about me, and this is stunning. Oh my gosh, so many fancy products in this Glam Bag Plus. Usually the products in here like aren't, I mean, they're nice, but they're not this fancy. We've got some luxury brands in this Glam Bag this time, Glam Bag Plus. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. The packaging is just so well made up. I'm not used to having luxury makeup. I've never seen eyeshadow pans this big. I don't even think I mentioned that, but this is an eyeshadow quad. And these are my colors. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to swatch these. So this is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Squad. Shade The Real Deal 990. So here are what the swatches look like. These are some of my best eyeshadow swatches. I love them. They're so stunning. And this palette just speaks fall. They are all shimmer shades though, so I would probably use one of my matte shades when I'm another palette when I'm utilizing this palette, because to balance it out I don't really always love to use all shimmers. But these are stunning and the pigment is amazing, and these shadows are incredibly blendable as well. That was not blendable, well they are blendable, but buildable is what I meant to say. That's one of the first things that I noticed. I'm definitely going to look more into this brand because I've never heard of it. Makes Michaela happy. So that is everything in my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus subscription. I am really, really happy with this month's goodies. I am just so impressed with so many of the products. As I mentioned throughout the video, I think some of the products are going to end up in a current favorites video, and it takes a lot for a product to enter one of those videos. I'm very particular, but I do think I enjoyed my Glam Bag subscription more than my Glam Bag Plus this month. Although, as you know, the eyeshadow palette from my Glam Bag Plus was amazing, and there are a few products from the Glam Bag Plus subscription that I am excited about. But overall, Glam Bag is definitely my favorite as far as quantity products that I loved the most. I also see that just because a level of subscription is more expensive doesn't mean that it's always better. I liked my Glam Bag subscription more than my Glam Bag Plus. So it just depends, but some of the months I have liked my Glam Bag Plus more than my Glam Bag. But it's been really fun to be able to do both of these and share with. Finally, like I said, I've been receiving these for a while, but now almost a year later, about a year later actually, finally starting to share these with you. So thank you again for watching my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call this video. And I'll have all the products linked down below, as well as where you can subscribe to IPSY. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!